It is really hot outside today, so I decided to bring a box inside from the garage and go through it. This is my summer clothes that I put away for the summer, and it's time to go through them. And in this new mission that I'm on, it's either a keep or a trash. So alright, so first up, swimsuit bottom. And I have another swimsuit. Trudy's gonna help me here. I have another swimsuit in here. Now this one, this is my, when I lose a bunch of weight, this is the swimsuit I'm gonna wear. I like the colors of it, especially on my skin. You can kind of see, I don't know why, I think it looks pretty. But Julie ain't fitting in that anytime soon, and who knows how long I have had this and been thinking one day when I lose all that weight, I will fit into it. You know what? One day when I lose all that weight, I'm gonna buy a new swimsuit. So this one is gonna go. But I like the top on this one. I like the halter top kind of. I think it's really cute. But I just think it's so pretty. But that one's gonna go. These shorts. These shorts Dave bought me one year for my birthday, and I love them. So I've actually been looking for those, and I need more shorts, so keep. Yes, this is what I was really hoping to find. Tank tops! I had packed all of my tank tops away, so yes, I need these for Dave and I have been going on summer walks here recently. Summer walks. Evening walks. And I've been wanting to wear tank tops, so. Oh, I like this one! Okay, so one year I got scrounged up enough money to get a Nike tank top, and it is one of my favorite tank tops ever. So keep. And I'm sure you probably don't want to see everything, but more tank tops. Yes, more tank tops. Okay, I'm starting to see how many tank tops I have. I may not need all of those tank tops, so I might have to trim them down a little bit, but this shirt was one of my favorite shirts. One, because it's so soft. I should look and see who made it. I can't even read it. It's so worn out. I've worn it so much that it's amazingly worn. The tag I can't read. But it's so soft. I love the material. I love the color. But this was my CG 100. That's a Camp Gladiator workout boot camp thing. I did 100 workouts, and I got this shirt for it. And I love this shirt. So we'll wash that. And so I didn't get rid of too much. Only this one swimsuit that I know I'm not gonna wear, and these shorts. I will probably get rid of maybe half the tank tops. I just need to try them on, see what fits, what doesn't fit. Again, if it doesn't fit or if I don't like it, it's going. Yeah. So let me know if you want to buy some clothes for me. For a lot of money, because you're gonna have to make it worth it. I encourage you, if you have, like, this doesn't take me very long, but if you have 5-10 minutes, grab a box and go through it. Or pull out a drawer or pick a shelf and just go through each item, decide if it's a keep or if it's a not keep. You can donate it, you can trash it, whatever you want to do. Whatever works best for you, but just to get it out, get rid of it. So let's get rid of some stuff. Let's free up some space and let's go after the things that God is calling us to. That's what the summer is all about.